Hey guys, in this video we're going to unbox the WhiteStone Dome Glass for iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. So it would fit this iPhone 13 Pro that I have. So let's see what's inside this box. It said there are two packages. So let's see what kind of things you get in here. I'm going to open up the top. It is taped quite strongly. So I'm just going to peel it out. And then we're just going to open up the top and we're going to pull it out. Okay, so that's everything inside the box. And at the top here there is another package. So this is the UV light. So we're just going to put it to the side for now. And let's check in here. So there is a plastic package. And then there are some liquid adhesive gel. Okay, so let's first open up this package first and see what's going to be inside this package. Okay, we have this plastic stopper, and then you got the screen protector, cleaning cloth. So this is the alcohol cleaning cloth. There are 3 packs in here. And then you got the dust absorber. There's only 1 piece. And then you got this microfiber cloth. There are 3 pieces. And then you got the absorber pad. So you only need to use each time. You only need to use 2 of this. So there are 4 of them for 2 screens. And then there is the liquid adhesive gel. There are 3 bottles. So you got 1 bottle here for the first screen, and then you got another bottle for a second screen, and this one is a backup. So in case if you mess it up for the first time, you can use the backup bottle to install your screen again. Now everything is in 2 pieces. So you got the cover for the speaker, for the top speaker. So there is 2 pieces, and then there is the masking tape. So again, there are 2 packs of masking tape. You only need to use 1 each time. So there should be enough for 2 installation. And finally, to the screen protector itself. So it is super shiny, super smooth. The things about this screen protector is that it is very shiny, very smooth, and once you use the liquid adhesive, it is very responsive to the touch once you have installed it correctly. So there is 1 pack here, and then there is another pack underneath as well. So you do get 2 packs in here. So there is another screen protector in here. You do get 2 packs of the screen protector. So if after 6 months or a year time and the screen protector is broken, you can install another one. And of course you have a backup and all of this extras for 2 installation. Okay, so finally we're going to open up this box right here. So there is also another bridge. This bridge is later you can use to put the adhesive gel on top of the bridge to release the liquid adhesive onto the iPhone screen. Okay, so let's open up this box right here. It's got a tape. I'm just going to cut it out. Okay guys, so inside this box you also get the dome glass UV light. So there's also a cable. There's no charger, so you can plug this one into your phone charger. And this is the UV light right here, and you use this light to cure the liquid adhesive. So once you put the screen protector onto your iPhone display, you're going to need to use this UV light to cure the liquid gel. And so yeah, that is everything inside the box. There is also a button on this UV light. So by pressing on the button once or twice, it will turn on the device for 15 seconds or 60 seconds. So this button is a preset time, allowing you to accurately place this one onto your screen for the desired amount of time. And that's it. So that is everything inside the box, guys. You get 2 packs of each. for 2 installations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.